Hi, my name is Laura Loera, Andis Global Educator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a long bob haircut step by step. If your level of experience cutting with clippers is fundamental, this video is exactly what you need to get started and learn to cut with confidence. Let's create together. Let's start with step 1. Step 1, sectioning the hair. Saturate the hair with water and comb out to remove any tangles. Ensure to evenly saturate the hair. Part the hair from front to back along the center to split into two sides. Now part the top of the head down to the ear on each side. Clip each section in a total of 4 sections. Release the left and the right back sections. Create a horizontal parting at the bottom hairline and clip the rest of the hair back into each section to get it out of the way. That will be the pattern of partings as we move through the entire back section. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is to determine desired length to establish the guideline. This will be the reference point for the haircut. The long bob is usually right at the shoulder area. Before cutting, tilt the client's chin down to chest. Cut the first section to desired length by using the clipper with the blade in closed position. Start cutting by pointing the blade towards the hair from the middle, going out to each side to establish the length. The next section will be taken out horizontally and should be a 1-inch section. Comb the section down to meet your length guideline. Continue this pattern to complete the entire back sections. Then finish by cutting the length on the side sections. Over directing to the back. Do the right side section, and then repeat on the left. That will be step 2 to creating the length of hair. Now let's do step 3. Creating layers with your clippers and your comb using 3-hand method. We will be using vertical sections. Starting at the top middle to nape section, start cutting at a 90-degree angle. Slightly over direct each vertical section to create a square shaped back. When cutting the sides, over direct to the back. That will be step 3 to creating layers on the back of the head. Step 4. Finish style. Blow dry and style to complete the look. So there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can now create a long bob haircut at home. If you don't already have the Andis at-home clippers, trimmers, and shavers you saw here, head on over to andis.com or to your favorite retailer to get yours. With Andis, we make it easy to take your at-home styling to the next level. Thanks for joining us.